All right, you sick fucks. Today we're diving deep into the shit that makes you, you. That's right, we're talking DNA, the goddamn instruction manual for life itself.
And we're going to break down this twisted ladder of genetic code from those goddamn base pairs.
Base pairs.
Yeah, base pairs.
Okay.
To the mind-blowing fact that you share a big chunk of your DNA with a fucking banana.
Okay, you lost me a banana. But look, let's cut the crap. What the hell is DNA?
Mhm.
I mean, I know it's important and all that shit, but explain it like I don't know, like a 5-year-old who just chugged a goddamn Red Bull.
All right, so imagine a long spiraling staircase.
Right.
That's your DNA. It's called a double helix. Each step is what we call a base pair. And those base pairs are made up of these molecules called nucleotides.
So like a ladder made of chemicals.
You got it. Each nucleotide has a backbone, like the railing of our staircase, right?
Yeah.
And sticking out from that backbone are these 4 bases: adenine, thymine, cytosine, and guanine. We call them A, T, C, and G for short, because who the hell wants to say those mouthfuls every time?
Makes sense. So what, these things just float around randomly or what?
Hell no. They're not just bouncing around like a bunch of horny teenagers at a party. A always pairs with T and C always pairs with G. They're like those goddamn couples that are always attached at the hip, you know?
So it's kind of like a zipper, but instead of teeth, it's these bases hooking up.
You got it.
But hold on, does DNA ever like get stuck?
Yeah.
You know, like a jam zipper?
You mean like damaged?
Yeah, damaged, stuck, whatever.
Figuratively speaking, yeah, DNA can get damaged. Shit like radiation can really fuck it up. Or those nasty chemicals you try to forget you inhaled back in college.
Oh man, don't remind me.
That's when mutations happen. But we'll get into that fucked up party later.
Okay, so these bases, they always pair up like you said, A with T and C with G. Why the hell is that? What is there like some weird chemical attraction going on?
It's all about hydrogen bonds, baby. A and T, they're a match made in heaven, connected by 2 hydrogen bonds. While C and G get a little kinky, you know, with 3 bonds between them.
A 3-way bond, huh?
You could say that
So why does this pairing shit even matter?
this specific pairing, this is what makes DNA replication, you know, the whole copying thing possible. When DNA needs to copy itself, it unzips, and each strand, each side of that ladder becomes a template for a new strand. It's pretty badass.
So it's like a tiny, super efficient copy machine. But for life itself, that's some next level Xeroxing shit right there.
Okay.
Okay, now tell me, what the hell are genes?
Genes.
Yeah.
Genes are like sections of DNA. They contain the instructions to build proteins.
Proteins.
Yeah, proteins. And proteins do pretty much everything in your body. They're like the recipes in a cookbook. And the order of those A, T, C, G bases is what determines what protein gets cooked up.
So DNA is the cookbook, genes are the recipes.
You got it.
All right. Does that mean there's some junk DNA out there? You know, like those embarrassing baby photos you hide in the attic?
We used to think so. But we're realizing now that a lot of what we call junk DNA actually plays a vital role in regulating gene expression.
Regulate.
Yeah, like regulating. It's like the notes scribbled in the margins of the cookbook, you know, full of tweaks and tips that affect how the recipe turns out.
So it's not just about the recipe itself, but the goddamn commentary around it. That's kind of deep, man. I'm starting to feel like a goddamn philosopher over here. But how does a cell actually read this DNA cookbook?
Yeah.
And then go and actually make a protein?
So there's this whole process called transcription and translation.
Transcription and translation.
Yeah.
Lay it on me.
All right, imagine this. You've got the head chef, DNA, chilling in the nucleus. The nucleus is like the restaurant's office, right? Now, the kitchen needs a copy of the recipe. That's what mRNA comes in. It's like the sous chef.
So mRNA is like the messenger taking the instructions from the boss to the line cooks.
You got it. mRNA, which stands for messenger RNA, makes a copy of the DNA recipe. That's during transcription. It's like taking a photocopy of the page from the cookbook. Then, mRNA heads out to the cytoplasm.
Cytoplasm.
Yeah. That's like the kitchen of the cell, where those tiny protein-making machines called ribosomes are hanging out.
Ribosomes.
Ribosomes.
So the ribosomes are like the line cooks, following the mRNA instructions to assemble the dish, or in this case, the protein.
You got it. During translation, ribosomes read the mRNA code and use it to link together amino acids.
Amino acids.
Yeah, the building blocks of proteins. It's a pretty complex dance, but the result is a perfectly cooked protein, ready to do its job in the body.
So it's like a molecular rave with DNA spinning the tunes, mRNA carrying the beat, and ribosomes busting a move to create life itself.
You could say that.
But let's not forget about the structure of this goddamn DNA ladder. You said it was twisted, right?
Twisted, baby, twisted. And it ain't just a straight shot to the top, you know?
Oh, really? Tell me more about this twisty structure. Does DNA ever get, kinky?
So the most common form is called bDNA. That's the classic double helix we've been talking about. But there's also aDNA.
aDNA.
Yeah. It's a bit more compact. Like someone sat on the damn ladder, and then there's zDNA. It spirals in the opposite direction, like it's doing the goddamn twist.
So DNA can get freaky.
You could say that.
But why are there different structures? What's the point?
You bet your ass it matters. The structure affects how DNA interacts with other molecules, which can impact how genes are expressed and all sorts of cellular processes. Think of it like this. A twisted ladder is going to behave differently than a straight one, right?
Makes sense.
Hmm.
Okay, you mentioned that some sections of DNA are more stable than others. What's that all about? Is it like some parts of the ladder are made of reinforced steel or something?
Remember those hydrogen bonds?
I was holding the base pairs together.
Yeah. Well, G and C bases have 3 hydrogen bonds between them, right? Well, A and T only have 2. It's like the difference between a couple holding hands versus, a full-on makeout session.
So GC pairs are like the power couples of the DNA world. They've got that
Yeah.
extra bond holding them together. Does that mean they're less likely to break up?
Exactly. The more GC base pairs a DNA molecule has, the stronger and more stable it is. It also affects how much heat you need to blast the damn thing with to break those bonds and separate the strands.
Wait, what do you mean by heat?
Yeah, it's called the melting temperature.
Melting temperature,
Mhm.
okay. So this whole GC content thing, it's like DNA's version of sexual chemistry. The more of it you got, the hotter the relationship and the harder it is to tear those lovebirds apart. That's some seriously kinky molecular biology.
You could think about it that way, I guess.
Speaking of variation, isn't DNA supposed to be ridiculously long? Like, how much of this stuff is crammed into each cell?
A lot. Like if you unraveled all the DNA in a single human cell and laid it end to end, it would stretch about 6 feet long.
Holy shit, are you serious? That's like trying to fit a goddamn python into a thimble. How the hell doesn't that much DNA even fit into a tiny cell?
It's all about folding and coiling, my friend. DNA wraps around these proteins called histones, forming little bundles called nucleosomes.
Nucleosomes.
Nucleosomes. Think of it like wrapping yarn around a spool, and then those nucleosomes get coiled up even further, forming these larger structures called chromosomes.
So it's like origami, but on a microscopic level.
Exactly.
But isn't there also DNA outside the nucleus, like in those little powerhouses of the cell? What are they called again?
Mitochondria?
Mitochondria, right. So there's DNA in there too.
Yep, a small amount. It's called mitochondrial DNA, or mtDNA for short. And here's a fun fact. You inherit your mtDNA solely from your mother.
So that's where I got my killer dance moves from. Thanks, Mom. But let's not forget about the dark side of DNA. What happens when this perfect code gets screwed up?
That's when we get mutations.
Mutations.
They're changes in the DNA sequence. And those changes can be caused by all sorts of things, like radiation or those late-night tequila benders.
So those tanning beds are basically mutation booths, right? And isn't that how cancer gets started?
While tanning beds definitely increase your risk of skin cancer, it's a bit more complicated than that. Cancer is a complex process that involves a series of genetic mutations.
All right. No need to get all scientific on us. Let's save the cancer talk for another time. But tell me, what's the most mind-blowing fact about DNA that you've come across?
You're not going to believe this, but about 99.9% of your DNA is identical to every other human being on the planet.
Wait, what? You're telling me all those unique quirks, personality traits, weird fetishes, it all comes down to just a tiny fraction of our genetic code?
It's pretty wild, isn't it? We're all so different, yet so fundamentally the same.
Well, my mind is officially blown. Folks, that's it for part 1 of our epic DNA adventure. We've covered the basics, from the twisted structure of DNA to the mind-blowing fact that you're 99.9% the same as that asshole coworker you secretly want to punch in the face.
And stay tuned for part 2, where we'll delve deeper into the freaky world of DNA, exploring mutations, gene editing, and the crazy world of the microbiome.
We'll be back after a quick message from our sponsors. Don't go anywhere, you magnificent bastards.
Welcome back, you degenerates. Last time we laid down the basics of DNA, the double helix, genes, and all that shit. Now things are about to get a whole lot weirder.
That's right. We're about to blow your fucking minds with even more crazy insights about this genetic masterpiece. So strap in, you freaky bastards, because we're going deep.
First up, the sheer scale of this motherfucker. Did you know if you took all the DNA in your body and strung it together?
All the DNA.
Yeah, all of it.
Okay.
It would reach to the sun and back over 600 times.
Holy shit, that's enough DNA to give a cosmic spider a bad trip. I mean, it's like the ultimate cosmic string cheese, man, woven through every goddamn creature on this planet.
And that's just one person. Imagine the combined length of DNA in every single living thing on Earth.
Dude, it's enough to make you question reality. But all right, let's get back to those mutations we talked about earlier. You said DNA can get all fucked up. How does this genetic code go haywire?
Well, aside from the obvious culprits like radiation.
And those questionable substances we definitely didn't experiment with in college.
Right, right. There are also there are internal factors that can really screw things up.
Wait, hold on. Our own cells can sabotage our genetic code?
Think of it like friendly fire.
Friendly fire. So,
Sometimes errors happen during DNA replication. Those tiny molecular copy machines we talked about,
yeah.
They're not perfect, you know? They can make mistakes.
So even our own cells can introduce typos into the code. What a bunch of incompetent assholes. Okay, cut them some slack.
Yeah.
They're doing their best in a chaotic environment.
Okay.
And most of the time, those mistakes are caught and fixed.
Wait, so our cells have their own little mechanics under the hood, fixing these genetic hiccups?
Exactly. Cells have all sorts of DNA repair mechanisms, constantly working to fix errors and damage. Think of it like, those guys who clean up graffiti, but they're battling molecular vandals.
So they're like the unsung heroes of the cellular world. Respect, man. But sometimes those repair mechanisms miss a spot, right? Then what happens? Does the whole damn system crash? When the repair mechanisms fail, mutations can build up, and they can cause problems.
Like cancer.
Cancer is one possible outcome. But there are countless other genetic disorders. It all depends on which genes are affected.
So it's like a genetic lottery. You never know what you're going to get. At least those little repair crews are working overtime, to keep things from going completely off the rails.
It's a constant battle, that's for sure. But hey, let's move on to something a little less depressing. Remember all that so-called junk DNA we talked about?
You mean the genetic equivalent of those embarrassing childhood photos we try to hide?
Exactly. Well, a lot of that non-coding DNA is far from junk. It plays a vital role in regulating gene expression.
So it's not just the genes themselves, but also the instructions for how to use them.
Yeah.
Like, it's the control panel for the entire genetic orchestra, right?
Yeah.
Making sure the music doesn't turn into total fucking chaos.
Brilliant analogy.
I know, right? I'm on fire today. But anyway, speaking of mysteries, remember when we talked about GC content? How those GC bonds are like the power couples of the DNA world? So is there like an optimal GC content for a species? Would a creature with super high GC content be like some kind of invincible super being?
There's no magic number. It varies widely between organisms. There's no clear correlation with complexity or evolutionary success. A creature with super high GC content might have very stable DNA, but it could also have problems with other processes.
So it's like everything else in life. You can't just crank one thing up to 11 and expect everything to be perfect. Balance is key.
Okay, but let's talk about something really weird. Quadruplexes. What the hell are those?
So imagine a DNA strand folding back on itself.
Folding back on itself.
Forming these little four-stranded knots. That's a quadruplex.
So they're like, what, little genetic macrame projects? What do they even do?
We're still figuring that out.
Yeah.
But they seem to be involved in all sorts of things. Regulating gene expression, protecting the ends of chromosomes.
The ends of chromosomes.
Yeah, and maybe even playing a role in cancer.
Yeah.
So they could be both good and bad. Typical DNA, always keeping us guessing.
Yeah.
But seriously, what's the most bizarre thing about DNA that you've come across in your research?
You're not going to believe this. Remember all that junk DNA we talked about?
Yeah.
A lot of that isn't even human.
Wait, hold on. Are you telling me I have alien DNA in me? Is that what you're saying?
Not alien, but close.
Yeah.
I'm talking about the trillions of bacteria that live in and on you.
You mean the microbiome?
Exactly. Their combined genetic material actually dwarfs our own human genome in terms of size and complexity.
So we're not just individuals. We're like walking ecosystems, teeming with microscopic hitchhikers. That's both fascinating and kind of disturbing, man.
It is, isn't it? And the more we learn about the microbiome, the more we realize its influence on our health, immunity, even our behavior.
Dude, my mind is officially blown yet again. This DNA deep dive is really making me question everything. We're back, you magnificent bastards, ready for the grand finale of our DNA extravaganza. We've gone through the twisted helices, we've explored that goddamn control panel, and we even uncovered the secret world of all those freeloading microbes living inside of us.
It's been quite the journey, but we've only scratched the surface of this mind-boggling molecule. Now we're going to dive into some seriously freaky shit, DNA technology.
All right, let's cut to the chase. What kind of crazy shit are scientists doing with DNA these days? Are we talking designer babies and immortality serums?
Well, not quite yet, but the advances have been revolutionary. Gene editing, personalized medicine, we're on the verge of a whole new era.
Let's talk CRISPR. That gene editing tool everyone's been buzzing about. It's like, what, the find and replace function for DNA, right?
Exactly. CRISPR allows us to target specific genes and modify them with incredible precision. It's already being used in research to develop new treatments for genetic diseases, and the potential applications are mind-blowing. Agriculture, biofuels, you name it.
So we could potentially edit out genetic diseases, create crops that thrive in the goddamn desert, maybe even engineer those glow-in-the-dark puppies everyone's been dreaming of. This is some serious sci-fi shit. But what about the ethical implications? I mean, aren't we messing with forces we don't fully understand?
Of course, with any powerful technology, there are ethical considerations. We need to proceed with caution and make sure these tools are used responsibly. But the potential benefits are enormous. Imagine a world without genetic diseases, where we can tailor treatments to a person's unique genetic makeup.
All right, I'll admit that sounds pretty damn amazing. But let's not get too carried away with the utopian fantasies just yet. Let's talk about something a bit more grounded. DNA fingerprinting. That's been a game changer for forensics, catching criminals, identifying victims, even settling those messy paternity disputes. How the hell does that even work?
It's based on the fact that everyone's DNA is unique, except for identical twins, of course. By analyzing specific regions of DNA that are highly variable between individuals, we can create a genetic profile that's as unique as a fingerprint.
So it's like a genetic barcode, revealing the secrets hidden inside our cells. Pretty damn clever. But what about privacy? Our DNA contains a shitload of personal information.
You're right. There are legitimate concerns about DNA privacy. Who has access to our genetic information? How is it being used? These are questions we need to grapple with, especially as DNA technology becomes more widespread. We need to make sure our genetic information is protected and used responsibly.
All right, let's end this deep dive on a slightly lighter note. What's the most unexpected thing you've learned about DNA? Something that made you do a double take?
Well, you're not going to believe this, but we share about 50% of our DNA with bananas.
Wait, what? You're telling me I'm half banana? No wonder I'm so goddamn appealing.
It's a testament to the shared ancestry of all living things. We may seem vastly different from a banana, but at the molecular level, we have a surprising amount in common.
Mind officially blown. No last time. So there you have it, folks. DNA. The twisted, beautiful, and mind-boggling molecule that makes life possible. From those kiki base pairs to the secrets hidden in those non-coding regions, DNA is a goddamn masterpiece. And as we continue to unravel its mysteries, who knows what amazing discoveries await us. We'll catch you next time on The Deep Dive, where we'll explore another mind-bending topic that'll make you question everything you thought you knew. Peace out, you magnificent bastards.